scenes of Mammoth's new video. So yeah, and hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bear. So you can go check out my channel. Yeah, I'll leave the link in the shameless plug. I'll leave the link in the description for her channel, so make sure to go check that out. And yeah, we're just filming one of her videos, and I'm the filmmaker, and I've never done this before, so I'm really bad at it. So, you know, I'm okay at filming. Am I just doing this? Yeah. Okay. How do you feel taking Instagram photos?
Love it.
So I'm filming. Go. Oh wait. Okay, again. Two, actually.
Got my sandals on, and no, I'm not gonna do another transition. So. Let's go to the backyard.
What? Now I guess we're going to the backyard. It's pulling the door open. Like I can close it, but like.
That was a joke. That was crazy.
So this is, I'm not going to show this because I didn't take Instagram photos with this camera, so bye for now. Now we're actually, phone just fell. Oh no. Okay, wait. Okay. This is our little setup. Yeah. A phone and a person. And another phone that I'm using. So that's why there's not gonna be. So yeah. Bye. Gosh. It keeps falling.
Well, let's find it. Just kind of watch me and see what I do, because I do poses. And I'm experienced. Not really, but still, I'm making a video on it, so I need to act experienced. Okay. Let's do this.
So now
Okay.
we're gonna
Ooh, it's a hill.
go do a brick wall. So
Let's do it.
so yeah. It's right over here.
Yeah.
So it's actually not anything special.
It's just literally like art.
Yeah.
It's probably like a closet or something.
Yeah. That's a
And then there's like a heater. Alright.
yeah. And then there's just a heater thing here. Oh whoa, it's very warm.
So warm.
Oh, and great wind for pictures. Wow. Yeah, like for you. It's like great wind.
I can't be taller, but
Let's set this camera up.
it's kind of probably gonna fall or something.
Yeah, because it's windy and it's on a hill.
Probably need to change the legs and stuff.
Probably, I'll do that. What? I wasn't even filming.
Sit on.
Yeah.
Okay, now I need to film like this is the next location.
So it is. Okay, go.
Okay, this is our next location. It's the brick wall. But you know, in my photos, I don't show that ugly thing and this ugly heater. We go over in this specific spot.
Guys, the video camera fell.
Is this still filming? Yeah, it's still filming. Okay, that's great. Let's just love that. Let's fix this.
Okay. I think the wind knocked it over.